Now we're going to check out how to use the else-if statements. We're going to draw out these if statements, all right, to have multiple lines. I kind of mentioned this earlier about how you can add multiple else statements, okay? And we're going to check out how to do that now. So the use of the else-if condition is a little different in Bash than other programming. So we kind of shorten that else-if to just elif, and it's used to define the else-if condition in Bash. So we create a file named else-if underscore example.sh. We're going to add the following script to that file to check how else-if is defined in the Bash script, okay? Let's scroll down a little bit here so we can see the full thing. Okay? So we're going to add to our virtual box here. I'm going to clear my screen. Vim, we're going to name this script else-if underscore example.sh. So else if underscore forgot the name again. It's example. Okay, else if example underscore .sh. Example.sh. You hit I for insert mode. I'm going to add my hash playing at the beginning, just as we always do with every single script we write. I'm going to say echo enter your lucky number. And then we're going to use that read command we've been using the past few examples. We're going to store user input in a variable called in. We're going to say if. We're going to use square brackets because we're comparing a statement here. So we're saying if variable in is equal to 101, so the number 101. I'm going to close out that statement, use semicolon, and then echo, you got first prize. elif or else if, elif. Now I'm putting another statement here. So I'm using square brackets. The variable in is equal to 510. Semicolon, then echo, you got second prize. Now I'm going to use another elif statement here, so I'm adding a third statement. Variable in is equal to 999. Then echo, you got third prize. Else, echo, sorry, try for next time. And I'm going to close out my whole if statement with fee, okay? So let's check out what's going on here. And actually, I need to correct the spacing on these. There we go. I need to correct that. So guys, Vim is very nice because it colors things, so it kind of shows you when things are off. There we go. Okay, so let's check out what's going on here. Well, echo, simple enough. We understand that. We've used the read command. We're familiar with an if statement, so we're saying if this is true, if n is equal to 101, then echo this. Now we're using elif, right? So, if this is true, then do this. Else if this is true, then do this. Else if this is true, then do this. Else, if none of that is true, then do this. So basically, we're checking this first statement to see if it's true, and if it is, it's going to echo this. Then we're seeing if this statement is true, then do this. Then we're seeing if this statement is true, then do this. Else, if none of that is true, then we're going to echo this. So let's check that out in action. We're going to make it executable. Else if underscore example.sh. We're going to execute it with bash. Else if underscore example.sh. Enter your lucky number. Let's do 101 first. All right, you got first prize. Let's run it again. Let's do 510. Second prize, not bad. Second place isn't bad. Let's run it a third time. We're going to do 999. Third prize, okay, top three, still not bad. Let's run it one more time. We're going to do, say, like 455. Oops, I gotta execute the command. There we go. 455. Sorry, try for next time. Boo. I didn't win. Alright. So let's go to our homework and check out what happened here. So first I typed in 101. So the first if statement was true, so it echoed, you got first prize. Then I ran it again and I typed in 510. Okay? So the first one was not true. 510 does not equal 101, so it went to this next part. 510 does equal 510, so this part was true, so echoed, you got second prize. Then I typed in 999. Well, 999 is not equal to 101. This statement is false, so it skipped it, went to this next one. 999 is not equal to 510. This part was false again, so it skipped this, went to the third statement. 999 is equal to 999, so echoed, you got third prize, okay? And then on that fourth and last one, I typed in 455, okay? So 455 is not equal to 101, 510, or 999. So it looked at this statement, else, echo, sorry, try for next time. So all these were false, so it went to this one, it just said, hey, echo this. So that's how we can keep an if statement going. We can use those elif statements, and we can add as many of those as we like in our if statement.